first we're gonna pour the Oreos and onto the thing. And right after that, we're going to
go ahead.
the batter.
Do not put all of them, okay?
Can we stop?
Okay. On top of it. That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay, just wait.
It looks like cookies and cream ice cream from the ice cream shop we go to.
Of course, it's Papa's ice cream shop.
It's like the one that Zara always eats, cookies and cream ice
Go ahead, give it to me.
cream. Yeah,
Oh, look at
I'll
this.
show you.
it looks so good.
Are you gonna eat it?
Yes. Oh, and everyone, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what flavor of ice cream we should do next.
Mmm. Love you. It's for Zara. Zara? The love is cut into 3 pieces. Papa said, love you. You like it? What did you do to your hair? You did it by yourself?
Yeah, I'm braiding it, and then I'm going to put water on it, and then when I wake up in the morning,
Oh.
I'm going to take it out, and it'll be wavy.
Oh, I love it, Yusra.
Thank you.
I like this hairstyle. Oh, look at this one.
Look how cool it is.
Look at this.
I get the biggest piece.
It's for you or it's for Zara?
Me.
For both.
Yusra? It's for
Me.
you, Zara, and Noor.
Me. 3.
Yummy.
Look how good it is. Ooh. Look at that. The drizzle.
Mmm.
Look, there's some chocolate drizzle.
Oh my god.
Do I?